Hi, my name is Imad Malik from Catalyst ERP. Today we're going to be looking at our BOM stock levels app. This app works on both sales orders and estimates and allows you to check the stock levels of assembly items that have been entered on those transactions. Let's take a look at an example sales order that I have in the system. This sales order has 4 different items on at varying quantities. As part of our app, a new column is added to the sales order and estimates called BOM stock levels. Clicking on this link will show the pop-up window using the quantity against that line. On this pop-up you have 2 main sections. At the top, the system shows the total quantity buildable. At the bottom in the table, the system is showing the components that are required to make this assembly item and the various quantities that are requested. Colors are used to represent the status of each component, green being all components are available, yellow mean partial, and then red being shown if there is no components available for that item. This functionality is also available at the header level against a transaction. The same button is available. Clicking this button will, instead of choosing one line, will show the information against all lines on the transaction. Like before, the buildable quantity will be shown, and in each table the quantity that is requested against the line will be used to show the quantity requested and required and used to represent the colors that are shown. That concludes our demonstration of the BOM stock levels application. If you have any questions or would like to discuss this further, please reach out. Our contact details are in the description of this video below. Thank you for your time.